Today in this video I have bring some good examples of certain molecules having R and S nomenclature. So let's start how to find out in these type of examples how to find out R and S nomenclature. So let's start the video. So in my first example, as you can see, this is a asymmetric center, and after this asymmetric center, this is a carbon 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 carbon, oxygen 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 oxygen. So this condition is satisfied in all, but after this carbon oxygen means after this ketone group there is sulfur and one alkyl group, sulfur hydrogen. So obviously this is oxygen, so sulfur is having high atomic number. So after that this alkyl group is given. So first priority will be given to this, second priority will given to this, third priority will given to this one, oxygen carbon oxygen, again one more oxygen. So third priority will given to this, fourth priority will given to this. So we will see the movement 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 3 movement is anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise S, but the fourth group is on horizontal line, not on vertical line, so S will interchange into R. So final nomenclature of this molecule is R. In second example, as I have discussed in my previous video also, this is a case of isotope where according to CIP rule, where the atom having higher mass will given the higher priority. So this oxygen 18 is obviously high mass, then 16, then 12, 14, then 12. So first priority will given to 1 18, second is 16, third is 14, and fourth is 12. So let's see the movement 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3. Again movement is anti-clockwise, S is equals to S. Now this whole molecule is not given in Fischer form, it is given in like general form. So this S will become S only. So the case of horizontal line and vertical line is not applied in here. In next example, again same like isotope case only. So 18 is having more than 16 having, then 13 having, then 12. So accordingly we'll do its movement. In this example, this asymmetric center is attached with carbon oxygen NH3 and this C double bond O. So this is a case of lone pair and charge. So lone atom means atom priority is more, means a neat atom priority is more than lone pair and charge. So this for clarity of this I have bring this example, as here after this asymmetric center nitrogen is attached carbon. So first priority will given to this neat molecule, then second will given to second will given to obviously this nitrogen, yeah, nitrogen. Second will given to this one, third will given to this will given to this third one, because C double bond O, then O and extra H is given, but here negative charge is given, so negative charge will not give it priority. So and fourth is to this. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 movement is clockwise. So R will become, fourth group is on vertical line, so R will become R. So this is a final nomenclature. In this example, again a simple example where after this asymmetric center this 6 carbon is given, then carbon, then alkyl group alkyl group alkyl group. So first part will given to this one, second is given to this, third will given to this, fourth is given to this. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 movement is S. So S will become S because fourth group is on vertical line. Here this is a case of where the configuration is defined. So obviously first will given to this, second will given to chlorine, third will given to this one, fourth is given to this one. So 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3 movement is anti-clockwise S. But this fourth group this thing is not means fourth group is on plane, its configuration is not defined. So in that case we'll not so means after giving the first second third priority will not say that this molecule is having S configuration. So what I have to do is we have to bring this fourth group is on below the plane. okay, and this either fluorine or either chlorine or either bromine, we have to bring it on the plane, so we have to interchange it to further. So what we will do, we'll just do its movement. So this is, we'll put this H below the plane, so this is below the plane, means it, so chlorine is, this will come here, sorry, this will chlorine, because it will go here, this fluorine will go to above the plane, then this bromine will come on plane, and this proton is given here. Now again one more movement, so that it will give, it will go to below the plane. So this proton is here, bromine is here, fluorine is here, and this chlorine is above the plane. Now we'll do its like priority. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 movement is S, and fourth group is below the plane, so S will become S. So final nomenclature is S. So for this type of molecule where higher atomic number molecule is given, and fourth group like proton or other group is not in below the plane, instead that the fourth group is on plane, so we have to interchange, double movement we have to do, and then we have to find out whether it is R or S. So in this example, now this is a asymmetric center where fourth group is already, we can easily see the fourth group is below the plane, so first movement, first priority will given to this because it is directly attached with oxygen. Now here again double bond, so double bond will give the second priority, third priority will given to this because this is CH2, and the fourth will be to this. So 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 movement is anti-clockwise S, and fourth group is below the plane, so it will become S. So this is the final nomenclature in this molecule. Now this is the asymmetric center, this carbon is directly with attached with oxygen, and this is oxygen, but this is proton, and again this is CH 1, 2, 3, yeah, CH. So now first priority will given to this because it is directly attached with some carbon and then proton and then again carbon, but here no attachment, only it is attached with the hydrogen. So first priority will given to this, second priority will given to this, third priority will given to this, and we'll consider that fourth group, that is proton, is below the plane because this is already given, it is above the plane. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 movement is clockwise, so R, and the fourth group is already below the plane, so R will become R.